How to fix your Instagram Reels not posting. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. So by the end of this video, you're going to be understanding each and every step you can follow to fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is pretty generic. You want to try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to ensure that you have a stable internet connection, or you could also try restarting your router if you need to. If that is not the case, you want to check if your application has any pending updates. You can go to App Store or Play Store depending on the device you're using, and simply go ahead and make sure that it is up to date. You can also simply go ahead and clear cache on your Android device by going to Settings, Apps, Instagram, and Storage, and simply go ahead and clear its cache. Always make sure that you have enough storage space, and also check Reels requirements. If your videos are way too long, you won't be able to post it, or there might also be audio not available in your region. If it's still not working, you want to try restarting your device or uninstalling and reinstalling your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.